Hi Matthew, it's Chris Reed here from Ardor SEO. I've put together this video audit to show you just the huge potential for your website. Look, I know we were originally talking about Facebook marketing, which is an awesome way to generate leads for your business, but organic search with Google is as well, and there is a real lot of potential for yours. So I've had a quick look at your website, and typing site your domain name, itlaw.com, you can see all of the pages that are indexed here. And I can see from your title tag that personal injury attorney Allentown is your primary keyword. So I searched that in Google, personal injury attorney Allentown, and I can see here that you're number 2 in the maps and number 2 on the organic. So that's not too bad. But the problem is this keyword has very little search traffic, search volume. So we've got a number of ways that we can look at search volume of keywords and your search volume. So this is your website here, and you can see that this is a breakdown over the last year. And so a year ago you were getting about 7 visitors a day, and around May and June you spiked up to 41, 45, and now you've dropped back down to around 23. And so you rank for 187 keywords. Those 187 keywords are only driving 25 visitors a day to your website. But these are hugely valuable keywords because, look at the cost of this traffic. If you were to buy this traffic through Google AdWords, it would cost you nearly $2,000. So 25 visitors at $2,000, it's about $80 a click. I mean, that's crazy. And you can see exactly why below here. So personal injury attorney, Allentown, PA, the cost per click on that is $120. And you're in position 2. The search volume is 70. So that's why your traffic is so high. And some other really valuable keywords here too, like Allentown personal injury lawyer Allentown, PA. That's $199. So if you were to buy that in AdWords, so these ads up the top here, that's like $200. And you're ranking quite okay for it, number 5. Though the difference between being number 1 and number 2 is quite big. You're generally looking around 33% of the traffic goes here, and about 28% goes here. But when you've got a Google Maps box like this, it's going to get the vast majority of the traffic, especially if someone's on a mobile phone. But what I wanted you to realize is that's pretty much where you stop, right here. So this column shows what position you're in, and Allentown law firms, you're number 11. So after that, all of this other traffic you're not ranking for, because no one goes to the second page of Google. There's an old saying, where the best place to hide a dead body, page 2 of Google, because no one's going to look there. So the huge value you could have by ranking for all of these keywords, and there's all sorts of keywords in here that you rank for, like Christina Trapani, future tractor trailers. Some of them are not very relevant. It's just that you happen to have it in your content and it ranks. So what I've done is I've put a filter on here. So I filtered the keyword by law. Well, if I go to the right page, I've filtered the keyword by law. So you can see all of these keywords have the name law in it. And you can see that, again, you stop at number 11, and then this column here is all the search volume. So if we even just rank it by cost per click, you'll see like this keyword here, Lancaster auto accident lawyer, $394 per click. There's not a lot of search volume, but you're number 83. Moving from, if you're ranking at all, to move from 83 to the top is not that difficult. Ones that you're on second page for is super easy. Like, look at the value of these, $268, $266, and some of them you're actually ranking okay for. So lawyers, Allentown, PA, you're number 49. It's not that much of a trick to get you to the front page of Google for all of these super valuable keywords. But if we add up all of the search volume here, like look, 210, you're only getting 25 visitors per day. So what's that over a month? 750? That's 210, just that one single keyword. So if you added all of these keywords up, that alone's got to be 1,000 or more in search volume. So huge value there. So what I've done next is Googled Lancaster auto accident lawyer. That super valuable keyword. It was $300+ a click. And I wanted to show you why a company like HV Law Firm ranks so well. So basically how Google works is it's based on authority. They don't know that you're the best lawyer in town. All they know is who's talking about you. And the more people that talk about you and link to you, the more authority you have, the more trust you have, and the higher Google will rank you. And the more authoritative sites are talking about you, like it's not every site's equal. The more authoritative a site is, the better that link will be. And so we have ways of testing that too. And so here I've typed in your website, and the trust flow is 0, which is really very low. And that's because you've got 28 referring domains. So there's 28 websites that link to your website, and they generate 104 backlinks. So about four links from every domain. But these, I haven't actually looked through them, but these domains are not very authoritative. Where I go and look at the competitor here, HV Law Firm, their trust flow is 23, which is a lot higher. And this is a logarithmic scale. It's not linear. So each and every step gets exponentially harder. So 23 is a big step up. And you can tell because they've got 255 domains linking to them. And that's, generates 7,795 links. So that's, a lot more authority. So really the first thing that you need to do is build the authority of your website. Like get a whole lot more links, referring domains, really good quality referring domains, boost up your trust flow, and then you too will rank for hugely valuable keywords like Lancaster auto accident lawyer, and drive thousands of more customers to your site. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me right there, Chris Reed, the CEO and founder of Ardor SEO. Sorry about the drill, the neighbours are doing some construction work. And so we specialize in search engine optimization and Facebook marketing, basically driving more visitors to your website, people that are looking for your products and services, people that are looking for lawyers. So my real only question for you today is if you'd like me to put together a strategy of how we can drive thousands of more visitors to your website. A couple of questions I'd like you to ask yourself is what's the average customer worth to you? What's your conversion rate from your website? Your search volume is not really high at the moment, but I gather you're already generating some business from your website. So if you'd like us to put together a strategy, all you have to do is click the button below this video. It'll pop up my calendar. Just find a time that suits you, book it in, and we can have a chat. So I hope you found that video useful and informative. And I hope you'll be booking in time that we can have a chat. So thank you very much for your time and have a great day. Bye-bye.